Hi class, it's Monday, April 6th, and we're introducing our new spelling words for this week. Last week we had number, know, way, could, and people. So this week we're going to be starting right here on the word my. Grab your Words of the Week book. You're going to do your neatest printing to write our words three, 4, or 5 times, depending how many space you have across the line. Our first word is my. It's a short letter M. It's a bounce letter. It starts in the middle, drops down, bounces over, and Y is a hanging letter. Both start in the middle. Our next word is than. T is tall, H is tall with a bounce, A is a secret C letter, then up and down, and N is a bounce letter, down, up, and over. Our next word is first. First is a hook letter, but it starts underneath the line. It goes up to the line and straight down with a cross. I is a short letter, R is a bounce with a small bounce, S is a curvy letter, and T is a tall letter. Our next word is water, short letter for W, a secret C, up and down letter for A, tall for T. E's are strange. They start in the middle of the bottom. They go out first, then up and around. R's start in the middle, come down and bounce. Then we have the word bean. B is a bounce letter, straight down, bounce back up and around. E's out, up and around. E up, out, up and around. N is a bounce letter, down, bounce up and over. There's our 5 words for this week. Notice I left a nice big space under my so that my hanging letter wouldn't get in the way of my next row. Practice those in your Words of the Week book. You're going to write my, then write it again with a nice big finger space, write it again with a nice big finger space, and write it again until you fill your line 3, 4, or 5 times. We also want to take a look at the words from last week so we don't forget them. Those were the words number. N is a bounce letter, U is an upside down letter, M is a bounce with 2 bounces, B is a bounce with a circle, E goes out, up, and around, R is a bounce down, up, and over. Bounce letters start at the top, come down, bounce back up and over some way. No is a bounce letter from the middle down, bounce up and over. O is a secret C letter. First it's a C and then it becomes an O. Our next word is way. W's are all short. A's are secret C letters. See the C? Then straight up and down. And Y's are hanging letters. Could starts with the C. O's are secret C letters that close. U's are bounce letters that bounce down, up, and over. L's are tall. D's are a secret C letter. See my C? Straight all the way up, straight all the way down. People is a bounce letter. It starts in the middle and it bounces past the bottom line, back up and around. E's go out, up, and around. O's are secret C letters. P's bounce down, up, and around. L's are tall. E's go out, up, and around. Practice those words in your Words of the Week book. You can do that on paper. You can do that in your Words of the Week book, or you can work like I did, right with your list beside you. I can get it all on the same page maybe. The list beside you and your whiteboard. Remember, if you're doing your whiteboard, you're going to do one whole board with this list of new words this week. So it would say my. It would say than. It will probably only say water, because then you're going to run out of room on your line. So do as many as you can neatly on your line. Nice small spaces between your letters, but bigger spaces between your words. Then flip your board over if you're working on a whiteboard and do another list with last week's words for review. In your Words of the Week book, you can use 2 pages, and on a piece of paper, you might be able to do it all from the top to the bottom on 1 piece of paper. Have a great time with the Words of the Week this week. Remember, when you're done, if you want to continue working with these words, you can practice them doing body spelling with Play-Doh, pipe cleaners, tile letters, magnetic letters, or any kind of fancy writing. Have a great day.